James Lucas Scott, what are you still doing awake?
Making Tree Hill. See? That's Quentin. He's still alive here.
That's nice.
And this is our house. And that's Daddy and you and me. And Uncle Lucas and Pate live next door.
Cool.
And this is Brooke and Sam and Julian.
Is that Grandpa Dan?
Yeah, he got a new heart.
Who's that, sweetie?
That's Uncle Keith. He's still alive. He came to make sure Grandpa Dan was okay, because him and Grandpa Dan still love each other.
Okay, Jamie, it's time for bed. Say goodnight to Tree Hill.
Good night, Tree Hill.